Hi guys, I'm doing like a day in my life vlog today in Vancouver. Today is Friday and we are going out to do some home decor shopping. I have finished my work early because it's Friday and it's sunny outside, and I am super excited to take you guys around with me. So since I'm going shopping alone, I've worn something super cozy that I feel comfortable in. And you can see the view outside from my workroom. It is beautiful. You can also see the sky train passing by from here, and I'm gonna be in that sky train within a few minutes. So I'll take you guys around. Okay, so I'm finally home and I'm gonna show you guys what I got from dollar store. Everything is under $5, which just blows my mind, and I'm gonna show you what all I got in a bit. So I'm back and I'm gonna show you what all I got for under $5 from the dollar store. And it amazes me that everything was under $5, and my total bill came around at like $46. I'm gonna show you everything that I got. Let's go. So this is everything that I got for $46, and let's start off with the first thing, that is memory foam mats. Now these mats I've gotten for the bathroom, and they're really soft, and you won't believe they are for like $5 each. And so we have two bathrooms in our apartment, and I thought that these two might be the perfect for both of our bathrooms. So yeah, these two are for $5 each. The second thing that I got, plants, but I'm very bad at like maintaining these plants. So I got this amazing little pot with a fake plant. I'm planning to put this in my living room, but tell me in the comments below where should I put this. So this was again for like $5, which is also again a great steal for this price. Next thing that I got is this amazing popcorn tub, which is super cute. I feel like we call friends over many times in the week, and so this is perfect to like serve them popcorn in a fun way, because I never had like a big tub where I would, I had a big bowl, but I never had like a big tub like this, which is super cute. And this was for $1.50, which is again a great deal. The next thing in the plants section again is this cute little pot that I got. I'm planning to put this on the mantle over here, which connects to my kitchen. So I'm planning to also paint this maybe a tinge of gold. So again, this was for $4.50. Again, super cheap, and I loved it. Next thing that we have is this cute little pencil holder. It's in rose gold color. I'm not sure if you could see the color, but here is it. It does not have the price written on it, so I was like, should I buy it? It might be too expensive and stuff. But to my surprise, it was only $2. Yes, only $2. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna get. Okay, so at this point I'm realizing that the audio was not recorded from this point of time in the video, and I'm going to be doing a voiceover for the other rest of the video, so please bear with me. Okay, so the next thing that I got is these plastic organizers, and they are amazing for organizing my makeup and stuff, because I have gotten like two of these. And so this one's for $2.25 and the other one was for $1.25, and both of them are a great steal. So the very next thing that I got was this gold metallic paint, and and it is again from dollar store, and I'm planning to paint this little pot right here, maybe like a tinge of gold with this acrylic gold paint. And so this one was for under $5 again. I'm not exactly sure how much this was for because the price wasn't written on it. Okay, so my husband and I are planning to do a paint night today after work. And so these two canvases I got from dollar store for under $5 again. And so the first one, you can see it has a little bit of outlines, and I'm planning to make my husband do this because this one's a bit easier to follow, and so it's going to be a fun paint night today. And as you can see, there are colors written behind it, color combinations, so they also provide the paint inside the canvas. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm going to show you in a bit. So if you can see, there are paint here, and so basically you follow the color combinations and do the painting. And I absolutely loved it, and it cost me around $5 to get this again. So yeah, the next one is the plain painting canvas that I'm gonna do. I'm planning to do like a abstract painting over here. I'm gonna show you guys the final look as well after we finish the painting. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And this canvas was for $4. And to add to that, I also got these paint brushes, which were super cute, and I got them for $2, and they are gonna support my paint night tonight. So the next thing is a very random purchase that I got these noodles from dollar store. It just amazes me how much can you get from dollar store, and you even get food. So these are Indonesian noodles that I'm gonna be trying out tonight. And so this is everything that I got from the dollar store. So it's finally our paint night, and we have begun painting. And so my husband is removing all the tapes from the painting that we did. So this was a fun painting that we tried on, which was an abstract kind of a design. Basically, it's a pattern design where you put tapes over the painting canvas, and then once you finish the painting, you remove the tapes, and after that you can see the final masterpiece, which I'm going to show you in a bit. So this is the final look of the painting, and I feel like it turned out pretty good.